Hello students, now in each Sunday we will see one new course, that is bridge course. सेतू अभ्यासक्रम असं म्हणलेलं आहे त्याला. What is that bridge course? It is the course of 45 days. In each day you had given one exercise and some points which are discussed about your earlier standard. If you had not learned in the earlier standard due to corona, you doesn't study the points which you learned in the earlier standard, you can easily get the benefit of that point. Due to this bridge course is introduced. So you also study this bridge course so that your base is perfect. Okay, so we will see one by one each day points in this video. Now for 40 days of this course, on each 15 days you will be given a test. After 15 days you have given first test, then again after 50 days means after 30 days you had given the second test, and after 45 days you had given third test. Okay, so your homework is what you have to done. तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे बघा, यामध्ये तुम्ही प्रत्येक दिवसाचा अभ्यासक्रम जो तुम्हाला पाठवला जाणार आहे त्याच्या खालचा स्वाध्याय रोजच्या रोज सोडवायचा आहे. त्यासाठी एक वेगळी वही घाला, 100 पानी वही घाला आणि त्यामध्ये दररोजच्या दिवसाचा अभ्यास तुम्ही त्यामध्ये सोडवायचा आहे. Day 1st चा एक्सरसाइज, Day 2nd चा, Day 3rd चा, इन दिस वे अप टू Day 45 डेज. ओके, आणि 15 दिवसांची जी चाचणी होणार आहे ती चाचणी देखील तुम्ही एका कागदावर लिहून सोडवणे गरजेचं आहे आणि ते आम्ही नंतर चेक करणार आहोत. ओके, नाउ इन दिस व्हिडिओ वी विल सी the syllabus of first 5 days with revision time. Okay, so let's start. See what is the first day point. First day point is about sets. In maths first, topic number first, sets. In this we will see the subunit is the subset and method of writing sets and elements in the set. Are you recall all these points you had covered in 9th standard? See students, first we will see this picture. See here I had the pictures I had shown you. Here in the picture we see that some are the flower buckets, there is bunch of kids, there is flock of birds, piles of notebooks and collection of numbers. From these pictures, student, you recall you had learned in 9th standard, that is there is the collection of some objects are given. Such collections of objects we called it as set. Okay, then how to we remember or how we see that it is a set or not? How we will decide it is set or not? See, here I had given some examples. First read these examples. Days of week, month in a year, brave children in your class, first 10 counting numbers, strong forts of Maharashtra, planets in our solar system. See, in all these examples we have to decide these are sets or not. So how we say that it is set? A well-defined collection of objects is called a set. So first example, days of week. Days of week we know Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it is a set. Months of year, it is also set. Brave children in class, it is not set. First 10 counting number, it is also set. Strong forts of Maharashtra, it is not set. Planets in our solar system, it is a set. So how to write the sets? We write sets by capital letters A, B, C, D up to Z, and elements in the set we write by small letters A, B, C up to Z. Then see, say some examples I had given here. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash up to infinity is the set of natural numbers. W set of whole numbers starting from 0. I is the set of integers. Integers includes 0, positive and negative terms. Q is the set of rational numbers and R is the set of real numbers. So we write set, you know how we write the set. First you write capital letters, see in the figure capital letter N, W, I is given, and we write curly bracket, and all elements in the set we write in the curly bracket with commas. You understand with these examples. Okay. Also we had studied how to write the sets, writing sets in two methods. First, listing method, we call it as roster method also, and second, set builder method, we call it as rule method. Now how to write listing method? See, I here drawn examples. What is the example? We have to write set of even numbers from 1 to 10. Write the set in the listing method. What is the set? Set of even numbers from 1 to 10. How you write? Take set name any. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash up to 10. Second, set of letters in the word mathematics. We write as curly bracket mathematics. Write the all letters in the word mathematics. M-A-T-H-E. Students, here you remember repetition of letters or numbers is not allowed. जर रिपिटेशन असेल तर आपण ते इथं घेत नाही. एखादा अंक किंवा एखादा लेटर आपण एकदाच इथं घेत असतो. ओके, सो वी राइट इन द लिस्टिंग मेथड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, ऑफ दिस डे फर्स्ट there are points covered are sets, definition of set, how to decide it is set or not, and writing set by listing method. So exercise 1 is given on this day first. I give exercise of all days lastly in the video. You solve all these exercise in your notebook. Now next day unit is, second day unit is subset. What is the subset? आपण मराठीमध्ये त्याला उपसंच असे म्हणतो. तुम्हाला आठवतं का मागच्या वर्षीचं? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय गिव सिंपल एक्झाम्पल. सबसेट. अवर बाहुबली स्कूल इज सबसेट ऑफ हातकणंगले, तालुका हातकणंगले. आपलं बाहुबली कुठे आहे बघा? हातकणंगले तालुक्यात आहे. हातकणंगले तालुका कुठे आहे? कोल्हापूर जिल्ह्यात आहे. कोल्हापूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट आहे महाराष्ट्रात आहे. सो वी राइट इज इन दिस वे, or you can write, we call it as subset. Who is the subset of whose? Here see, Bahubali is subset of Hatkanangle. Hatkanangle is subset of Kolhapur. Kolhapur is subset of Maharashtra. In this way you can write. Okay? म्हणजे काय देणार आहे? लहान घटक काय असणार आहे? मोठ्याचा सबसेट असणार आहे. See the figure given here. In this figure, set A contains, set B contains which elements? 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the elements contain set B. And set A contains elements 1, 5, 3, 7, 8, 2, 4 and 6. So here, who is the subset of whose? Here A and B are given two sets. Then every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is subset of A. इथं काय बघा, बीतले सगळे एलिमेंट ए मध्ये आहेत का? आहेत. बी मध्ये सगळे एलिमेंट काय आहेत? ए मध्ये आहेत. Therefore we call B as subset of A. Here not A is subset of B because why? A element contains 1, 5, 3, 7 which does not contains in set B. So here A is not subset of B. B is subset of A. Okay? We write symbolically as B subset of A. Okay students? Here it is subset is represented by Venn diagram also. It is called a subset. Here you remember this chart. See the chart. What is given? First, every set is subset of itself. प्रत्येक सेट काय असतो? त्याचा सबसेट असतो. That is A is subset of A. Then empty set is subset of every set. That is phi is subset of every set. That is any set. Third one is given. If A is equal to B, then suppose A and B are two sets which are equal sets. Then A is subset of B and B is also subset of A. बघा, A आणि B मध्ये सगळे एलिमेंट्स जर सेम असतील तर A मधले सगळे एलिमेंट B मध्ये पण आहेत आणि B तले सगळे एलिमेंट A मध्ये पण आहेत. Therefore we can write as A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Okay? Conversely, ह्याचाच कॉन्व्हर्स फोर्थ पॉइंट दिलाय बघा. If A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then we can write A is equal to B. थर्ड अँड फोर्थ कॉन्व्हर्स आहेत एकमेकांचे. एतले सगळे एलिमेंट बी मध्ये असतील आणि बीतले सगळे एलिमेंट ए मध्ये असतील. म्हणजेच काय, दोन्ही सेट्स ए अँड बी काय असणार आहेत? सेम असणार आहेत. ओके. हियर नेक्स्ट आय हॅड गिवन यू वन एक्झाम्पल. सी द एक्झाम्पल. A set is given 1, 3, 4, 7 and 8. We have to write all possible subsets of A. A चे सगळे सबसेट आपण लिहायचे आहेत. मग आता कुठल्याही सेटचा दोन सबसेट फिक्स असतात. कुठले कुठले? फाय अँड द सेट इटसेल्फ. यू रिमेंबर दिस. वी हॅव टू राईट सबसेट ऑफ एनी सेट. देन फाय अँड दॅट सेट यू कॅन राईट द सबसेट. सो फर्स्ट इज द सबसेट इज 1, 3. You can write 1, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 7, 8. I had here given only 4 subsets. You may write as only one element is subset of A. Yes. 3 is the subset of A. Yes. 4 is subset of A. 7 is subset of A. 8 is subset of A. You can write in this way. Each single element in the set A is subset of A. Also you can take 1, 3 or 3, 4, 4, 7, 7, 8. These are the subsets of A. And 5 is also subset of A and A is the subset of A. Okay, you understand what is the subset? There is given exercise 2 on day 2nd which is based on this subset. You solve this exercise also. Now students, this is day 1 and day 2 based on part first. Now in math 2nd, day 3rd is given on the math 2nd, 3rd and 4th. What are the given things here? On the math 2nd, on first topic, basic concepts in geometry, you had given the subunit point, line and plane. You had learned in this 9th standard. So what is the point? You know, you denote point any by dot line. If you draw with the help of pencil on paper any dot, that dot is the point. Then if you join these two dots, then we get the line. Okay, you know the line. So how to read the line? We can read this line as line. See the figure given IU. In this point is given, point is shown, then line is given. We can denote this by line Q. Second figure is given line PQ or line QR, or you write as line PR also. Suppose these 3 points are in the same line, then the points are called collinear. You had also learned collinear. From this you can write collinear and non-collinear points. If these 3 points lie on the same line, then we call it as collinear points. And if these 3 points does not lie on the same line, then we call these 3 points as non-collinear points. Then third one point is plane. मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला प्रतल असं म्हणतो. इफ यू हाऊ टू ड्रॉ प्लेन. प्लेन कसं काढतो बघा आपण. युअर ब्लॅकबोर्ड इज प्लेन. व्हाय? बिकॉज दिस इज द फिक्स्ड, बट दिस कॅन बी इन्क्रीजेस इन ऑल 4 साइड्स. आपण चारी बाजूने ते वाढवू शकतो, म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणलेलं आहे आपण, प्लेन असं म्हणलेलं आहे. These are the basic concepts in geometry, that is line, point and plane. These are the 3 concepts which are basic concepts in our geometry. You observe figure, you can easily understand. Here also for day 3 you had given exercise. You solve this exercise. Next for day 4th in math second you had given the point Euclid's postulates. In that you had given subunit, coordinates, distance and betweenness. Are you recall all these points you had covered in 9th standard? See, first line, you know the number line. See the figure of number line. In that number line there is origin 0, starting with 0. On the RHS of 0 there are positive number. On the left hand side of 0 there are negative numbers. Here the figure is drawn of line number. Now we see first point, coordinate. How to write coordinates? See from the figure. What is the point D denotes? Point D काय डिनोट करतोय बघा. Point D denotes the number 1. Point E denotes the number E. The point E denotes the number 3. Point A denotes the number -5. Point B denotes the number -3. Point C denotes the number -2. And point O denotes the number 0. In this way, each point denotes some number. That number is called a coordinate of that point. So, coordinate of point A is -5. Coordinate of point B is -3. Coordinate of point C is -2. Coordinate of point O is 0. Coordinate of point D is 1. Coordinate of point E is 3. In this way you write the coordinate of any point. Okay. From these coordinates you can write the distance between any 2 points. How write distance? बघा, 2 point मध्ये distance आपण कसं काढतो? With the help of scale. बघा आपण स्केल न काढतो की नाही. कुठल्याही 2 गावातला डिस्टन्स काढायचा आपण किलोमीटर मध्ये म्हणतो. 2 बेंच मधला फरक किती सेंटीमीटर आहे, किती फूट आहे हे आपण काढत असतो. हियर वी फाइंड डिस्टन्स बिटवीन एनी 2 पॉइंट्स. हियर अगेन यू सी दिस नंबर लाइन. ऑन दिस नंबर लाइन you can see the distance. We have to find distance between any 2 points. See, I want to find distance between point E and D. So, what is the coordinate of point E? 3, and coordinate of point D is 1. So, here you find distance by subtraction of greater number from smaller number. So, distance, you write distance by D of in bracket E comma D is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That is distance ED is 2. Similarly, if I want distance between point C and D, then you write coordinate of point C is minus 2 and coordinate of point D is 1. So whose coordinate is greater? Point D's coordinate is greater. So you subtract smaller number from greater. So we get distance CD is equal to 1 minus minus 2. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So distance between CD is 3. Okay. And next point we will see is the betweenness. See, what is the betweenness? बघा, तुम्ही बरोबर मध्ये बसला असाल, आपल्या शेजारी दोन मुलं बसले असतील आणि तुम्ही बरोबर मध्ये असाल, तर तुम्ही काय म्हणताय? मी या दोघांच्या मध्ये बसलेलो आहे. Similarly, in math, see the figures here. In these figures, P, Q, R, these 3 points are collinear points. हे तिन्ही पॉइंट्स काय पाहिजे? फर्स्ट कंडिशन काय आहे? These 3 points must be collinear. See in the first figure, point Q is between P and R. Point second figure, point R is between P and Q. And in third figure, point P is between point R and Q. So here we write as the PQR points are betweenness. How we write? See, if distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR, then it is said that point Q is between point P and R, and we denote by as P dash Q dash R. We denote this betweenness. Okay, in first figure Q is between, second figure R is between, and third figure P is between point. Okay, so here you must remember the condition. In the first figure you see points P, Q, R are collinear points, and if distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR, then these are the between points. Then Q is between points PR. In second figure, first condition is points P, Q, R must be collinear points, and second condition is distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PR. Then point R is between point P and Q. And in third figure, point P is between point R and Q when if these 3 points are collinear and distance RP plus distance PQ is equal to distance RQ, then point P is between point R and Q. So this is in the day 4. We had covered coordinates, distance and betweenness. The exercise is given on this day also. I show all the exercise. You solve all this exercise in your notebook. Now students, you solve this exercise in your notebook of day first given, then day second exercise is given. Similarly for day third and for day fourth, all these exercise you write in your notebook, and if any difficulty is there, so discuss with me. Okay, thank you.